Today I am reviewing the MSI MEG Vision X AI gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The MSI MEG Vision X AI gaming desktop is a powerhouse designed for gamers, creators, and professionals who demand nothing short of cutting-edge performance, stunning visuals, and future-ready features. At its core, it's driven by the ultra-powerful Intel Ultra 9 285K processor, a chip built to handle the most demanding gaming titles, heavy multitasking, and intensive content creation workflows with absolute ease. Whether you're streaming in 4K, editing high-resolution videos, or running complex simulations, this CPU delivers exceptional speed and responsiveness, ensuring that your system never becomes a bottleneck. Pairing that raw computing power with the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card means you're stepping into a whole new level of visual fidelity. From ray-trace lighting that brings games to life with cinematic realism to blisteringly fast frame rates in competitive esports titles, this GPU is ready for anything. It's also fully VR-ready, opening the door to immersive gaming and creative experiences without compromise. The inclusion of 64 gigabytes of DDR5 memory ensures smooth multitasking, rapid load times, and headroom for future applications, while the lightning-fast 2 terabytes M.2 NVMe SSD provides ample storage space for your game library, creative projects, and essential software, all with virtually instant load times. Cooling is another area where MSI has truly gone above and beyond. With their exclusive 360mm CPU liquid cooler, heat dissipation is maximized, keeping performance stable even during extended gaming sessions or heavy workloads. You can push the hardware to its limits without worrying about thermal throttling or excess noise, which is a must for both competitive gaming and professional use. The MSI MEG Vision X also understands that gaming is as much about style as it is about power, and that's where the built-in RGB lighting comes into play. With the press of the MSI LED button, you can instantly cycle through vibrant lighting effects to match your mood or game theme. And with MSI Center software, you can fully customize the lighting to create a setup that's uniquely yours. This attention to aesthetics makes the system a centerpiece of any gaming room or workstation. The desktop comes preloaded with Windows 11 Pro, which not only gives you a sleek, modern interface, but also enhanced productivity and security tools, making it perfect for both personal use and business applications. Connectivity is top-notch as well, with features like Bluetooth 5.4 for fast, stable device pairing, ensuring seamless integration with the latest peripherals and accessories. Altogether, the MSI MEG Vision X AI gaming desktop isn't just a computer, it's a complete performance ecosystem. It's built for those who refuse to settle for anything less than the best, combining cutting-edge hardware, advanced cooling, generous memory and storage, and customizable aesthetics into one exceptional package. Whether you're chasing competitive gaming glory, creating professional-grade content, or simply wanting a future-proof desktop that can handle anything you throw at it, the MEG Vision X delivers in every category, making it an investment that will keep you at the forefront of technology for years to come.